An honor to welcome you all. I'm very, very thankful to all my brothers from the press and the media to kindly come and attend this press conference for Global Solar Expo. So I'll brief about Global Solar Expo and Suryacon Conference and Telangana Annual Awards that we are organizing at Hightex Exhibition Center, Hall 3 on Friday and Saturday. It's a two-day event and more than 100 brands are exhibiting over there, and more than 75 speakers are there, top level speakers are there from the government, from the solar industry, from banking and financing institutions, from solar power developers, EPCs, IPPs, system integrators, and certain top level government people who have confirmed to attend the event are Shri Naveen Mittalji, IAS Special Chief Secretary to the Government of Telangana, Shri Ramchandraji, Commission Secretary from Telangana Electricity Regulatory Commission, Mr. Shivaji, Director Projects from Southern Power Distribution Company of Telangana, and Dr. Narsimulu, Director Southern Power Distribution Company, and Shri Musharraf Faruqi ji, IAS Chairman and Managing Director from TGSPDCL, and Srimati E.R. Vanila ji, Vice Chairperson and Managing Director, TG Redco, has confirmed to give keynote and speak at the event. So Telangana is doing wonderfully well in solar industry, and Hyderabad has a big potential. Telangana has a big potential. PM Kusum scheme, more than 1 gigawatt projects is enabled by the state of Telangana, which is a very, very good initiative by the government of Telangana. So congratulations to them. Then PM Surya Ghar scheme also is doing extremely well in the state of Telangana. A lot of houses are being solarized and the speed is going up. Then I think a lot of big utility scale power plants are coming up, in which power purchase agreement is being signed with the state nodal agencies, or they are happening through Ministry of New and Renewable Energy, Solar Energy Corporation of India, or NTPC also. So that is also something which is happening in a very big way in Telangana. Even there are some manufacturing plants also of solar modules and cells. So that is also a very, very good step. Then also I think what needs to be done and understood is all the corporates and MSMEs needs to be carbon neutral, as the world is moving more towards carbon neutrality and products and services made by 100% renewable energy. So that needs to be looked at a very, very positive level. And that is where a great potential lies, that if Telangana is able to enable the policies and regulations to make the corporates and MSMEs make their products and services using 100% renewable energy, so that will increase the value of the products and services being made in Telangana. Will increase the chances of exports also, as the world demands carbon neutral products or products made by renewable energy. So that is something that needs to be enabled. Some of the top companies or the top brands which are exhibiting with us are Sova Solar, Navitas, INA, Sambhav, Fimmer, DEY, Sineng, Novasys, Colorshine, Gotham Solar, Credence, Oriana, Chint. Even some banks are also exhibiting, like AU Small Finance Bank is also exhibiting with us at the event. And I think Telangana has a great opportunity, not only at PM Surya Ghar scheme, wherein residential houses are being solarized. In PM Kusum scheme also, I think more than 4 to 5 gigawatt potential is there. Telangana, because geographically it is very well located, Hyderabad is a very, very big metropolitan. So can be grown as a big hub for trading and logistics as well. Then a lot of potential for hybrid renewable energy is also existing in the state, wherein the combination of solar, wind, and battery energy storage, and I think a lot of potential is there for green hydrogen projects as well. So green hydrogen projects also will need a lot of green energy actually. So as you all must be already knowing that India has also committed to the Paris Agreement to be totally net carbon zero by 2070. So for that, every state needs to go carbon neutral, enable RE100 for corporates and MSMEs. And this is a huge opportunity. I think, in fact, if you listen to the world topmost leaders, even people like Bill Gates say that climate change reversal is the biggest business opportunity this century will ever see. It's not artificial intelligence or anything else. Because as we all know, energy is the biggest industry. Then as an organizer, it's organized by C2Z, which is Solar and Decarbonization Marketplace, and EQ International Magazine, which is India's leading and the oldest magazine with 17 years of presence as a media in solar industry. And we are expecting around 10,000 plus visitors at the exhibition in 2 days at HITEX. What is the key message to the people? There are 2-3 key messages. One, there is zero investment solar possible. Either is it for business or it is for residential households. So there is no harm putting solar. Putting solar on residential rooftops give a guaranteed return of more than 20-25%. If you're putting solar for your business, it gives more than 30 to 40% annualized return year on year on a guaranteed basis. And zero investment solar is also possible. So for exploring these options, I urge the public and the people of Telangana to attend the event. Then also what we need to understand as India countrymen is that annually more than 10 lakh crore rupees of money is going outside India to buy fossil fuels, be it crude oil, be it coal. So this totally can be made zero if we increase the generation of solar energy in India. This will not only save the country from the bad effects of global warming and climate change, it will be good for our economy, good for our rupee, good for our energy security, will increase our economy size, and it will make us less dependent on foreign like USA and other countries, oil producing countries actually. So there is a huge potential, and the beauty of solar energy is that it can be made using made in India solar panels, solar cells. So that is another big advantage, that with made in India solar panels, solar cells, solar ingots, solar wafers, we can make made in India electricity, which can power your homes, your businesses, and it can also run your vehicles, electric cars. And electric cars are also made in India, and they can be like completely locally made. So this entire economy, if we as countrymen promote, use, encourage everyone to use, India will become a developed nation very fast. The per capita income will rise, our value in the world will go up. So that is the key message that I want to give to the press, media, and all the people through your publications, actually. And that is my key urge and request to all the press, that we should encourage all the people, and through our publications, keep on publishing about the advantages and benefits of solar energy and electric mobility. So that is all from my side. If anyone has any questions, please, if you could let me know. Thank you.
जैसे हम ग्लोबल सोलर एक्सपो में आई वर्क, सो सोलर का काफ़ी बेनिफिशियल हमको भी पता चला है व्हेन आई जॉइन कि जैसे सर के वहाँ पे 16 किलोवाट का जो सोलर पैनल लगा हुआ है, हम भी उसके बेनिफिट्स देखते हैं। और जैसे कि
Global Solar Expo is going to be the biggest solar trade fair, B2B and B2C in Telangana, in this beautiful city of Hyderabad. I urge everyone to visit the exhibition because it is a unique opportunity to meet more than 100 exhibiting brands, more than 75 speakers, more than 10 top government officials, and network with more than 10,000 visitors, which is a unique opportunity. It's going to be the biggest gathering, and it is definitely very challenging to meet so many people under one roof, so many companies, so many brands, so many government officials under one roof. And traveling or arranging so many meetings is not possible even in 1 year as much as you can do meetings in 2 days. So I urge everyone to please visit Global Solar Expo. So Hyderabad has a huge potential, is doing very good in the field of solar energy, be it PM Kusum scheme or PM Surya Ghar scheme, be it in net metering, be it in large scale utility projects, and also in manufacturing.